Halor ki khubor bo Bah Eugene son lingdo MLA ka UDP na Moplang constituency ba ula ba numile issue ki election uba kermen shala MLA ka UDP na cleariat ulong bo kwa bo Bah Eugene son undang ya khuni election of number 1 Henry kan dai pat karai shimet chungu da ka baong ba da ka dai karai bo Bah Eugene son unume khun shu ki election le se kan dai ka chingi I chung uhi ya ka banta ka ba khambai ka party ka constituency ba jalahi boro ka wei ula ong bo Bah Eugene son ude ubriu bo prakhat chwa banle ki ai Long bau don ke cingsenia ba ka ega rai ke Bah Eugene son unshim nakaliang ka parti kan don ba wala kwa man kershan ya unu wei pat ukurtong
nakaliang jungi ni kwa I bandang don hakani ka bani contest election, but that will be his last, I would say, his decision. Yenamla ban change the decision to me, but I believe shumut mentala danga manganum contest election. That means I have seen something which is better for the entire party as a whole. Lada the teaching show jonga kabhai party and then kabhai constituency but state as a whole, then that is nothing like it. You are, let's say Bah Eugene, he has something better for the party and better for his people of the constituency. So I believe that he has something very good. Namar ini samla jongi, he think and do things. He will not just do it without thinking. So we have faith in him, and whatever he decide, we are with him. For that we don't have much time. You are, let's say dunana lian jongaro bangam don mo leta ka por bani salok badi, but ngai nga shania whatever decision he takes it genuinely dakaba parkhat, and then I believe that whatever he takes, we will be with him. If he wants to support someone else, we'll do that, but we will not let him leave the party. That I'll assure you. It'll be a great loss for the party if he leave the party, and especially for me, he's like a brother to me. Party. If he didn't contest election, if he contest, well and good, very good, the best I can say. If he didn't also, we make sure that he utilize his strength and then power and then whatever resources he has for the party to uplift us.